Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Thursday, February 18. Electricity has been made available to about 29 households in the GILLARD community of Southwest St. Elizabeth. Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Philip Paulwell officially commissioned the service in the area on Tuesday. The National Energy Solutions NESOL directed the installation of 1.6 kilometers of cable and other works at a cost of nearly $7 million.
This is number 137 extensions that we are celebrating in Jamaica in terms of the extension of electrification to the length and breadth of Jamaica.
Minister Paulwell added that the transformation of the energy sector in Jamaica was in high gear. He pointed to the 340-megawatt wind farm by BMR Limited in the parish, the expansion of Wington Wind Farm to a capacity of 60 megawatts, and the 20 megawatts of electricity coming from solar content. A new infant department was officially opened at the Runaway Bay All-Age School recently to cater to students in and around the area. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites was on hand to open the new department. He said the project formed part of his ministry's continued thrust to create infant departments at existing primary and all-age schools.
It turns out that there is much better improvement that takes place in between the two schools and throughout the whole arc of education. And therefore, Runaway Bay's education is taking a big step up by the connectivity with the infant school.
Meanwhile, a $24 million infant department is to be built at the Liberty Hill Primary School in St. Anne. Ground was recently broken to start construction at the institution, which will offer more options for early childhood students in the parish.
This groundbreaking is one of more than 100 new infant schools all over Jamaica that have been built or are funded to be built over the past 4 years. This is the foundation of all further education.
It is being financed by the Culture, Health, Arts, Sports and Education Chase Fund.
What I can promise you, that come September morning, these children will be walking into a brand new school.
Residents of the LYNDALE housing scheme in St. Mary are reaping the benefits of their property tax. The scheme exceeded the targeted 80% compliance rate and subsequently benefited from the LYNDALE housing scheme road being rehabilitated. Minister of Local Government and Community Development Noel Arscott says this is an example of property tax working for the people.
If we can reward the citizens who are paying the taxes, then more and more will come on board and we'll eventually get a significant compliance from where we were. And so today I'm happy to note that we have been able to significantly do a lot of work, and hence LYNDALE housing scheme is one of the beneficiaries.
And finally, the Crossroads Tax Office in St. Andrew will be relocated come Monday, February 22. The new offices will be right across from the existing tax office at the H.I. Henriquez Building, 15A Old Hope Road, Kingston 5. The facilities will have additional space to accommodate customers and staff, as the TAJ will occupy 3 floors of the building. To facilitate the relocation, the existing Crossroads Tax Office will be closed tomorrow, Friday, February 19. Customers can visit any other tax office, including those at King Street or Constant Spring, to conduct transactions. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.